Yo, what's up, YouTube? Alright, check it out. This right here is supposedly a snap-on clone light, and thanks to Mr. Junk from work, he's the one that gave us the heads up on it, and here she be. Oh, that's a good magnet. And this is through a rubber mat. So check it out. There's the on. And then we'll flip it up. Setting 1. Setting 2, which is the ultra bright. And it smooths it out. And this thing is really nice and bright. We'll turn off the light. Yeah, might as well turn off all of the lights. All but one big one. Oh, I guess I can't turn off the light on the film. Damn it. But anywho. It's a super bright light. And it's very nice. I'm not sure about them lights, if they'll go down. There's 3 lights there. So I'll see if they go down as it gets lower on juice. We'll check that out. But you could turn this all different directions. And come back around. Hit that. And then with that, you could still kind of like flip it around if you need a different holding angle. Or if you need to magnetize it to the hood of a car. Or it's even got this hook built in. It's a little tricky to get into, but there it is. Not bad. A little hooker there. You know what I'm saying? And that's not everything I got in this haul. Also, Junk from work, he's got a Patreon now. So, y'all should go throw him a buck. Or 2 or 3 or 4. He's a good guy. And also, this Ratchet right here, I've been wanting one of these for a while. Check it out. Proto. And it's an indexing one. So this goes, so that locks it. And then this will spin all the way around. You can lock it wherever you want. And then it's also a flex head. Ain't that something? Yeah. That is definitely something right there. This thing is neato. Talk about a gimmick, but hey, it's something neat. This is like early 2000s right here. Mac also made them, or branded them. Part number is 5257FL, USA. Not sure what that mark is over there. Looks like a 3 or something. But anyhow, this could be like considered new old stock. Some alright shape. I need to clean it up a little bit. It's got some dust and stuff on it. Nice handle. Textured. The old school style detent flexing head. So that, guys, is gonna wrap it up. And I'll give you guys that part number again on this flashlight from Junk from Work. It's the DJ1901. And I got this off of Amazon for, I think, $15.99 shipped with the Prime. Or $15 plus shipping. Or when you spend $25 or more, you get free shipping also. So, keep an eye out for that too, using Amazon. Alright guys, like, comment, subscribe. Deuces.